Investing in Australia is an attractive option for both domestic and international investors due to the country's stable economy, robust legal framework, and diverse opportunities across various sectors. Here's a detailed overview. 1. Economic overview. 1. Stable economy. Australia has one of the most stable economies in the world, characterized by a strong and consistent GDP growth rate. It has experienced significant economic expansion over the past few decades, even during global downturns. 2. Currency. The Australian dollar, AUD, is the country's official currency. 2. It's one of the most traded currencies globally, which reflects investor confidence in the Australian economy. 2. Key investment sectors. 1. Real estate. The Australian real estate market, particularly in cities like Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane, is a popular investment choice. 1. The property market has shown consistent growth, driven by population growth, urbanization, and demand for housing. 2. Mining and resources. Australia is rich in natural resources, including iron ore, coal, gold, and natural gas. 2. The mining sector is a significant contributor to the economy and offers opportunities for investment, particularly in commodities and related infrastructure. 3. Agriculture. Australia is a leading exporter of agricultural products, including beef, wheat, wine, and dairy. 3. Investments in agricultural land, agribusinesses, and related industries are common, particularly as global demand for food increases. 4. Technology and innovation. The tech sector in Australia is growing, with significant investments in fintech, biotech, and renewable energy. 4. The government also offers incentives for research and development, R&D, and innovation, making it a fertile ground for tech investments. 5. Tourism. With its natural beauty, cultural attractions, and international reputation as a travel destination, Australia's tourism sector is strong. 5. Investments in hotels, resorts, and related infrastructure can be lucrative, particularly in popular regions like the Great Barrier Reef and major cities. 6. Financial services. Australia has a well-developed financial services sector, including banking, insurance, and investment management. 6. The Australian Securities Exchange, ASX, is one of the largest stock exchanges globally, offering a range of investment opportunities. 3. Investment vehicles. 1. Stocks and bonds. The ASX offers a wide range of stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. 1. Australian companies in sectors like banking, mining, and healthcare are popular among investors. 2. Managed funds. Managed funds, including superannuation funds, similar to retirement funds, are popular investment vehicles. 2. These funds allow investors to pool their money and invest in a diversified portfolio managed by professionals. 3. Property. Direct investment in residential or commercial real estate is common. 3. Property investment can be through purchasing physical property or via real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allow investors to invest in property without owning the physical asset. 4. Venture capital and private equity. For those interested in high-risk, high-reward investments, venture capital and private equity funds are options. 4. These funds invest in startups or private companies with high growth potential. 4. Regulatory environment. 1. Foreign Investment Review Board, FIRB. The FIRB reviews significant foreign investment proposals to ensure they are in the national interest. 1. While most investments are approved, certain sectors, like real estate and infrastructure, may have additional regulations. 2. Legal framework. Australia has a transparent and well-regulated legal system. 2. Investors are protected by laws that ensure fair dealing and compliance, including the Corporations Act and the Australian Consumer Law. 3. Taxation. Australia has a well-defined tax system. 3. Investors are subject to capital gains tax, income tax on investment returns, and possibly stamp duty on property transactions. 3. However, there are various incentives and deductions available, particularly for investments in R&D, innovation, and certain sectors. 5. Risks and challenges. 1. Market volatility. Like all markets, the Australian investment market can be subject to volatility, particularly in sectors like mining, which are influenced by global commodity prices. 2. Currency risk. For international investors, fluctuations in the AUD can affect the returns on investments. 3. Regulatory changes. Changes in government policies, particularly regarding foreign investment, taxation, and environmental regulations, can impact investment returns. 6. Investment strategies. 1. Diversification. Given the diversity of the Australian economy, diversification across different sectors, such as real estate, stocks, and bonds, is a common strategy. 2. Long-term investment. Australia's stable economy and growing sectors make it an attractive option for long-term investments, particularly in real estate and blue-chip stocks. 3. Sector-specific investment. Investors may choose to focus on specific sectors, such as mining or technology, based on their expertise or market trends. 7. Support and resources. 1. Government support. The Australian government offers various incentives for investment, particularly in areas like technology, renewable energy, and regional development. 1. Additionally, Austrade, the government's Trade and Investment Commission, provides support to investors. 2. Financial institutions. Australia has a well-developed banking sector with numerous institutions offering investment advice, wealth management, and financial planning services. 3. Advisory services. Investors can also access a range of private advisory services, including financial planners, investment brokers, and legal firms, to help navigate the investment landscape. Investing in Australia can be highly rewarding, especially when done with careful planning, sector research, and an understanding of the regulatory environment. The country's stable economy, strategic location in the Asia-Pacific region, and robust legal framework make it an attractive destination for both domestic and international investors.